Okay, I'm just showing you what I'm doing now. Before the kiln was a bit too hot at the top and not a bit undercooked on the underneath. So with the new chimney setup now, it's working a lot easier. Cone 8 is flat, cone 9 is over, cone 10 is just slightly bending now at the top. The bottom, cone 9 is over now, and I've done that by. I'll stand back a bit so you can sit, so you can hear me. I'll put the damper in. You can see the reduction flame coming out the top there. What it's done is, when I put the damper in, it slows down the heat getting hotter in the top, but it forces the heat down, or it drags the heat down, so at the bottom equalises the heat at the bottom as well as the top. That's the theory, and it seems to be working out now. You can see the reduction flame coming out of the spy holes. There's a spy hole here and at the top, and I've got reduction flame coming out the bottom as well as the top. Another 15 minutes of this, and then I can start adding the wood, but I'm not going to video that, you've seen it all before. And then tomorrow night hopefully we'll get some results. Okay, I'm away from the noise away from the noise of the kiln outside. It sounds a lot worse on the camera than it does in real life, to be honest with you. It picks up everything, doesn't it? Just to recap on what I've just said in case you didn't quite get it. I've had problems last time I fired the kiln. In the top of the kiln was overfired, and the bottom of the kiln was only just about getting to the temperature I wanted. So I've altered the chimney, made the chimney taller, put a proper damper in it, and what the damper's done is when I've put the damper in at 1000 degrees to give me some body reduction, the temperature stayed static for a couple of hours. It crept up to 1100 degrees. So when I got to cone 9 going over and cone 10 bending, what I did was I've put the damper back in to give me some more reduction, and what that's done is it's drawn the heat down into the bottom, and I've just checked now again, and I've got equal cones top and bottom because of the use of the damper. It was only in halfway, the damper. I just put it in until the coloured flame starts coming out of the spy holes, and I can see the flame at the top of the chimney. Fingers crossed it'll be a good fire and I get a good reduction. I want to draw all the iron out of the body if I can. I'm just going to go out now and put a bit of wood in and see what the results are tomorrow.